Today we are going to create a special emergency light, one that does not use any battery and yet continues to glow for 12 seconds after a power failure. This project is designed to address a very simple but important problem. Whenever there is a sudden power failure, the entire area plunges into total darkness. So let's start making this. This emergency light uses a transformer-less power supply, which means it consumes very little electricity, making it extremely energy efficient. Because of its low power consumption, you can keep this device switched on throughout the year without worrying about your electricity bill. Even though it doesn't use a battery, the light stays on for about 12 seconds after a power failure, thanks to the energy stored in the capacitor. This small window of light can make a big difference, helping you move safely, find a flashlight, or even avoid panic in sudden darkness. This emergency light uses a transformer-less power supply, which keeps the design compact and energy efficient. Let me explain how it works. The high voltage AC is dropped using the 0.47 microfarad polyester capacitor. The capacitor leverages capacitive reactance to limit the current to less than 100 mA, making the circuit safe and low power. It is very important not to increase the capacitance, as doing so would raise the output current, which could become unsafe. The reduced AC voltage is then rectified and regulated. A 5.1 volt Zener diode is used to clamp the voltage to a safe level, and a 2200 microfarad electrolytic capacitor is used for filtering. This filtering capacitor also acts as an energy reservoir. When the power is present, this capacitor charges up. In the event of a power failure, the stored energy is immediately released to a white LED, keeping it lit for a short duration, typically around 12 seconds. The larger the capacitor value, the longer the backup time you get after a power cut. This clever and efficient design delivers sufficient light during a power outage without relying on a battery, making it perfect for continuous year-round operation with negligible power consumption. This is the complete schematic of this emergency light. You can see all the components are easily available in the local market. And now it is testing time. My studio is having very good brightness. I will switch off the floodlight so that you can see the intensity of the light from this LED. When we switch off the power, the LED will continue its brightness for 12 seconds and then start reducing the brightness and gradually switch off. Next, let's talk about where to install this circuit. The most recommended location is near the main light source in the room, such as a tube light or any other ceiling mounted fixture. You will typically find black insulated wires connected to the tube light. This emergency light should be connected in parallel with those wires so that it will receive power whenever the main light is on. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.